Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce marketing overhead with Adobe detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Creative Cloud and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Adobe Express app. Click on the Create New Project button. Choose the type of project that fits your marketing needs. Utilize templates to save time and reduce design costs. Customize your selected template using your brand's colors and fonts. Incorporate licensed stock images from Adobe Stock to enhance visual appeal. Use Adobe Illustrator to create vector graphics for branding purposes. Leverage Adobe Premiere Pro for editing promotional videos efficiently. Explore Adobe Audition for high-quality audio editing to improve your podcasts or video soundtracks. Consider Adobe Analytics to track campaign performance and gather valuable insights. Employ Adobe Target to personalize marketing campaigns based on user data. Utilize Adobe Campaign for streamlined email marketing management. Integrate your various Adobe tools for a seamless workflow across platforms. Take advantage of Adobe's cloud storage to centralize your marketing assets. Regularly update your projects to keep your content fresh and relevant. Collaborate with team members through Adobe's sharing features to ensure cohesive efforts. Analyze your results using the data gathered to refine future marketing strategies. Consider scaling down your marketing tools to just Adobe solutions for efficiency. Evaluate your return on investment regularly using analytics from Adobe. Adjust your marketing budget based on the performance insights provided by Adobe tools. Stay informed about new updates and features in Adobe software that can enhance your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.